6th standard English online classes. Dear students, in the last class we have discussed a lesson, Friend in Need. Dear students, now let us recall the lesson. See, Krishna said to the Kunti, war is near. Your sons will fight against their cousins. What is the name of that war? Yes, very good. Kurukshetra. That Kurukshetra, it is very near. Your sons will fight against their cousins. So here, who are the cousin brothers? Yes, Kauravas and Pandavas are the cousins brothers. If they will fight each other, there will be much bloodshed in the war. You can see the many deaths in the war. By listening this from the Krishna, Kunti became very disturbed. Because in this Kurukshetra, Karna was on the Duryodhana's side. So here, the Karna fight against their own brothers. Who are those own brothers? Yes, very good. That is Yudhishthira, Arjuna, Bhima, Nakula and Sahadeva. These are all his own brothers. But Karna don't know this truth. Only Krishna and Kunti had know this truth. So for this reason, she became very disturbed. Because the Karna was fighting against their own brothers in the war. So Karna was one of the strongest person on Duryodhana's side. So obviously the Duryodhana will be stronger in this war. That's why Kunti decided to do one thing. What is that? Yes. She decided this was the right time for the Karna to learn the secret of his birth. She decided to reveal the truth to the Karna about his birth. So after that, she went and met Karna. She revealed everything in front of the Karna, what she had in her heart. So up to here, we have discussed in the last class. Students, now let us see what step the Karna was going to take. Okay, now let us see 9th paragraph. Karna embraced his mother gently and wiped away her tears. He spoke to her in sad, gentle words. Indeed, I am a prince, son of Kunti, born to Surya. But Adhiratha raised me. Adhiratha gave me a father's care and gave me his name. Radha is my mother. She lavished love and affection on me. She shared my infant joys and sorrows and proudly watched me grow into manhood. When Krupa challenged me to reveal my parentage at the tournament, you could have saved me, mother. If only you had revealed the truth, then perhaps things would have been different now. So here, Kunti revealed everything in front of the Karna. So now the Karna embraced his mother gently and wiped away her tears. So here the Karna went near to Kunti and embraced her. Embraced means hold closely in one's arms because she was crying. So the Karna went near to the Kunti and hold closely and wiped her tears very gently. He spoke to her in sad, gentle words. Then he started to spoke whatever you said about my childhood or life. That is true. So here the Karna started to spoke with his mother. Indeed, I am a prince. Okay, whatever you have revealed truth about my life, I agree for that. Okay, I am agree. I am your son and my father is Surya. But Adhiratha raised me. Raised means bring up. Before all these years, Adhiratha raised me. So Adhiratha is my father. Adhiratha gave me father's care and gave me his name. So Adhiratha gave me a father's love. He gave everything. He gave his love, care and his name. Adhiratha is my father. Radha is my mother. She lavished love and affection on me. So here Radha is my mother. It means she is a Adhiratha's wife. She lavished love and affection on me. Lavish, it means give something generously. She gave true love to me. She shared my infant joys and sorrows and proudly watched me grow into manhood. She shared my infant joys. It means Radha has been seen my childhood. Whatever I had done in my childhood. She had watched every movement of my life. So from these years, I have shared everything with my mother Radha. Here the Karna said, Adhiratha is my father and Radha is my mother. Okay, next. When Krupa challenged me to reveal my parentage at that tournament, you could have saved me, mother. So one day the Krupa challenged me. The Krupa, he was one of the person. So here the Krupa challenged me to reveal my parentage. So one day Krupa challenged to the Karna, reveal your birth secrets at that tournament. And that tournament Krupa asked me to reveal your birth secrets. You could have saved me, mother. And that time you could have saved me, mother. But at that time you couldn't say anything. But now you have revealed the truth. If only you had revealed the truth, then perhaps things would have been different now. It means right now you revealed the truth in front of me. But on that day you were silent. If you could reveal the birth secrets on that time, I am feeling very happy. But on that time, you didn't say anything to me. You were silent. But right now, you have revealed everything in front of me. It means if Kunti revealed this truth on that day, might be the Karna will go with Kunti. It means he will join the Pandavas and fight against the Duryodhanas. But right now, Karna couldn't ready to change his decision. Okay, now let us see next paragraph. Why he can't change his decision? Okay, let me see. Son, with tear-filled eyes, Kunti protested. So here the Karna said his decision about the war. For this, the Kunti replied, son, with tears filled. By listening words of the Karna, the Kunti emotionally she was started to cry and she said, Karna. Here the Kunti trying to protested. It means here she is trying to oppose his decision. But the Karna said, it was Duryodhana's then who befriended me and stood by me. He rebuked Bhima when he flung hot words at me. See here, the Karna said, I am with Duryodhana because who befriended me? Because on that tournament, he announced in front of all the people, he was my friend. He was my good friend. He announced in front of those people and stood by me. He stood with me on that day. He saved me. He rebuked Bhima when he flung hot words at me. So, he rebuked Bhima. Rebuke means here scold. So, on that tournament, Bhima scolded me with hot words. Hot words means by using the sad words. So, on that tournament, Duryodhana saved me from the Bhima. To Duryodhana, it did not matter that I was a merry charioteer's son. He didn't think I am just a charioteer's son. I am not a great person. I am a common man. But without thinking that he gave me true friendship. He saved me on that tournament by saying he is my friend. He gave me wealth, kingdom, power, armies. More than that, he gave me friendship, a lifelong friendship. Whatever that is, he didn't think I am just a charioteer's son. But he gave everything to me, like he gave me his wealth. It means he gave me money, a kingdom, power, armies. So everything he had given me. More than that, he gave me friendship, a lifelong friendship. So he gave me a lifelong friendship. He said, would I be an honorable man if I deserted him now? So here the Karna asked many questions to the Kunti. So what is that? See here. Would I be an honorable man if I deserted him now? Deserted means living alone. You are saying, you come with me and join your brothers. Now, so if I will come with you, it would be honorable man if I leave the Kauravas and to join the Pandavas. It is a generous to me. Would it be right? If I will come with you, it is a right decision, mother. Would it be just? Would it become of Karna? It is a right thing for me. So here the Karna asked many questions to the Kunti. But here Kunti had no answer to give. Because whatever he asked in front of the Kunti, that is right. Because being a friend, whatever he was doing, that is right. For this reason, the Kunti, she didn't have any answer to give. Okay, see, next. Karna's smile was tinged with sadness. It was a difficult choice, but he did not hesitate to make it. He held honor, duty and friendship above everything else. Would I not be a traitor and a cheat if I desert him now? He said Kunti had no answer. She was heartbroken. She bent her head in sorrow. So here, finally, the Karna said to the Kunti, so whatever the thing will be, I won't cheat my friend. Because whenever I meet somebody, my friend was with me. But right now, I don't want to be a cheater. I want Duryodhana. I am living with Duryodhana because he was my friend. He gave everything to me. If I will come with you, I will be a cheater. So here the Karna was not ready to be a cheater. Karna's smile was tinged with sadness. It was a difficult choice, but he did not hesitate to make it. So here the Karna's smile was tinged with sadness because he was already in sad mood. So here the Karna smiled with sadness. It means clearly we can see the sadness in his face. It was a difficult choice, but he did not hesitate to make it. It was a difficult choice to the Karna because one side he was very happy because he knew about his birth. Another side he is a best friend of Duryodhana. So here the Karna had two choices in front of him. What are those? If he want his mother, he want to go with Kunti and to join the Pandavas. If he want true friendship, he want to live with the Duryodhana. These two choices are there in front of the Karna. But here the Karna had taken one good decision. He said in front of the Kunti, I won't come with you because Duryodhana is my best friend. He gave everything to me. He gave kingdom, wealth, armies, power, everything I got from my best friend. So now I am not ready to become a cheater. So I am living with Duryodhana. I won't come with you. So like this, he cleared that difficult situation very easily. See, he held honor, duty and friendship above everything else. So here, finally, the Karna held his honor, duty. He had shown his kindness. So here, Karna said to the Kunti, I am not ready to become a cheater. So everything he had said this in front of the Kunti. But Kunti had no answer. She was heartbroken. She bent her head in sorrow. So but here Kunti had no answer, because whatever he had said in front of her, that is right. That's why Kunti didn't give any answer to the Karna. She was heartbroken. It means she was very sad. She bent her head in sorrow. She bent her head like this because she didn't give any answer. That's why she became very sad and she bent her head in sorrow. Like this, she bent her head in sorrow. So after that, she went out from that place with sorrow. Okay, dear students, if you have any friends in your life, please trust them, because they will help you when you need help from those people. So in this lesson, we have learned the same thing. Dear students, in this class, I have completed this lesson. Okay, dear students, is there any doubts regarding this lesson? We will discuss in the interaction class. Thank you.